Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Webmin on Debian 12. First, run the following command to update the package lists. Next, run the following command to install the required dependencies. Now, download the Webmin repository script. Then, execute the script to add the Webmin repository. Next, install Webmin by running the following commands. Then, start the Webmin service and check its status. Run the following command to confirm that Webmin is running. Next, run the following command to install UFW. Then, allow the required ports by running the following commands. Then, enable the firewall by running the following command and confirm when prompted. Run the following command to check the firewall status. Now, open your web browser and enter the following URL. Enter your root username and password to log in. Finally, you have successfully installed Webmin on Debian 12.